Ngabana mwe rero. Simbishyurira amashuri meza.
Yego papa.
Nimwiga mu bigo byiza.
Yego papa.
Kubera iyo mpamvu rero sishaka kuzongera kumva umwana uri kuvuga ikinyarwanda mu rugo rwanjye. Mugiye kujya mukoresha icyongereza guhera ku wa mbere kugera ku wa gatandatu. Ku munsi wo ku cyumweru nibwo mwemerewe kuvuga ikinyarwanda gusa. Turumvikana?
Yego papa.
A few moments later.
Mama yangu. Game.
Mujibiti. Good morning, my friend. Good morning, my friend. How are you? I'm fine. My friend, where are you coming from? Coming from toilet. Coming from toilet. That is me. But my friend, what do you work here? I am sitting here and playing the game of Inzoka.
Hi guys,
Not speak game of Inzoka. Speak game of snake. Hey, Inzoka in English is snake. Yes. Hey, I know it. But my friend, you know, last Monday I'm going to take a fish. Are you fisherman? No, I am a fisherman. My father was a fisherman. You will go to help your father. Yes, I am helper.
Mama yangu. Game over.
Okay.